Yeah, we are from Bloom AI, and yeah, our staff come here. So we believe like we envision a gentle world where everyone can find a safe haven of love and growth that illuminates your heart. So that's why our company name is Bloom AI. So heart. Yeah, and we are making Moey. That's our I don't want to call it product, but that's our companion and our AI companion that for emotional growth and personal transformation. So I want to ask everyone a question. Have you ever felt like sometimes you feel a bit overwhelmed, a bit stressed, of already hands up, and a bit anxious, or sometimes feeling unheard or unseen, and you just want to have a rest in a little safe place? For me, that's definitely a yes. Last weekend, I was like so overwhelmed and so stressed, and I just want to switch off all my social media, and I just want to hide in my room, listening to some music, and just have some quiet time. That's what we believe is our safe haven. It could be a home, it could be someone you love, it could be your lovely pet. Yeah. So we found that in the research, like for adults in USA, that 50% of them actually feel very lonely or alone. So it's like 1 in 2 person in this room that might feel alone sometimes. And also worldwide, 1 in 6. So we believe that we can create a safe haven that for the heart to have a little rest and not just to fix the problem straight away. So to accompany that person, that's what we believe could solve this problem. So that's why we built our Moey. I want to show you how cute Moey is. So yeah, that's our Moey. And it's your fluffy friend who might roast you or cheer you seconds later. Look at the last sentence. Not 100% here for you. Because why? Because it has its own soul and its own character. That's a big plus for our Moey. So that's a very special thing about it. It's a character IP. So because it has their own story, it will be able to help people in 3 different ways. So first, it can help you to have that proactive companionship. So when you feel stressed, when you feel overwhelmed, you can have a safe haven and chat with him. Could be a video chat, could be an audio chat, could be a text chat, and he might proactively find you and solve, like if he knows that you feel stressed lately, and sharing some little surprises, little daily stories from his work, and sharing with you to surprise you or cheer you up. So it's a 2-way relationship. And also, Moey has his own forest in his planet Mimomo, and it's a planet for users to actually think about what do you want to achieve in your life. Like think about your goals, break it down into small tasks, and they will achieve it together. But what's special about it? Look at the picture. Everything will be visualized. So no more nowadays a lot of to-do list tasks, like if you tick it vanishes, right? But we want to visualize it with you, and we want to celebrate it with you every single step. So Moey will celebrate that with the user together. And also last one, all our what Moey do and interact with the user are built upon this scientific framework. It's called SPI Wellbeing Framework. Has anyone heard of that? Oh, thank you. So SPI stands for spiritual, physical, intellectual, relational, and emotional well-being. And we are targeting on emotional well-being at the moment and intellectual because of the growth tree part, but we will expand more and more So hopefully Moey can achieve that balanced kind of well-being together with the user in the long run. And we validated the problem by actually going out, doing a lot of user research. We interviewed 30 plus users, and we confirmed deeply that they want a safe haven, that when they feel overwhelmed or stressed. So that's being validated, and we have thousands of competitive reviews analyzed on Reddit, on the comments from the App Store to confirm that. And we also have our scientific foundation that we mentioned before about the positive psychology and the SPY framework. So what about the competitor apps out there? It's actually a lot. When I do the competitor analysis, it's a lot. But I want to show you this diagram because we are special. Look at the chart. You can see that like some meditation apps, they are only targeting on like the trying to help the people to achieve that peaceful state by doing some tasks. So it's very transactional, very machine-like, you would say. And on the other hand, you can have those replica character AI Tolan. Has anyone heard of those ones? Yeah. So those, thank you. And those ones are those companion ones. They're very cute. They're very lovely or pretty, whatever, and attractive. But the problem is they only comfort you. They just make you happy, and people don't actually grow or stretch themselves even further. So we want to sit in this special position that tries to connect or bridge the comfort and the action. So we want people not just feeling happy, but also achieve something they want to achieve in their life, become who they want to be. So a good news is, look at this Harvard Business Review. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see what you can see. I'll let everyone to have a look first. What do you find? So you can see a lot of changes. Before, like we were using those AI to generate ideas, generate like a brainstorm with them. But nowadays, people use AI more on therapy, companionship. The second top one is organizing my life. New use cases, and finding purpose, new use cases. And that match exactly what Moey can provide, the value that Moey brings. So that brings us to the business model we are running, which Darren will introduce.
So, hi guys. So in our business model, we will have consumer subscription. So basically we'll charge only $10 a month. The monthly plan, and also there's an in-app purchase. So for the other gamified, so for the character custom, those one will be in-app purchase part. And also we will have a B2B partnership with some mental health organization to work out some companionship with their patient. That will also be our B2B partnership. And also we will selling IP and also tech licensing in the future after later on when we getting more popular. Yeah. So also in our customer acquisition, so we will firstly make our Moey to be as a media star on the social media. We will create some warm and healing story on the social media to get our first attract our first fans and user. And primary channel will try to target some university partnership who are just graduate and they are in high stress and also want to building a high trust community from day one. Yeah. And also a fast track strategy partnership. So we will also contact in some positive psychology business that to work out something with their patient as well. Yeah. So basically, when we talk to psychology, the problem they have is they have less time to get to know their user. But with Moey, we can help them to get to know their customer and their patient more with us. So at the moment, the market in the total addressable market for the global health and wellness economies is 6.3 billion. And for the global mental health apps market, is 7.5 billion now. And it have a 14.6% of average growth rate, which is pretty very high. Yeah. And also, we are looking to in year one we can after we launch the app, and in year one we can achieve 1.5 to 3 million revenue. Yeah. So our unique modes. So firstly, we have a culture mode. So Moey is more a media product. So it with a soul and with our core value. So we want to deliver the message to our user is everything has a meaning. So we will also guide our user to find the meaning behind of their time of struggle, their challenge, or the relationship between them, what they can learn from that, or what's the meaning behind that. And that will be our core value culture mode as well. And also the tech mode, we will try to use the proactive and memory. So user can actually our MOE can remember what we have been discussed with user, and we also regenerate some remarkable moment that they have together. And also we'll try to in the future we'll also have try to betting it on a on-device AI SLM. So I think maybe a lot of people they are trying to hurt in the future all the iPhone they will have your own SLM in your phone. So eventually if that the case, then Moey will be always in your phone. You'll be even if you without any internet, Moey will still actively can talk to you with the SLM. Yeah. So and also our IP and the grocery. So the IP is also our core mode, and because when people see Moey, they will feel warm, they will feel wellness, they will feel happiness. Yeah, so that's the IP part. And also with the grocery, we have a personal growth record. So when the time you use our app and then build a long-term goal achievement, then it will be hard to get the user to change to other apps because they have already record in our app. So our team. So I have been 6 years in architectural project and business development management, and I also own my own company for running for 3 years for furniture company, and I'm also very passionate in learning, growing, and exploring the deeper meaning of life. So that's why I build Moey. And also Jenny. Do you want to introduce yourself?
No, you introduce.
So Jenny has been 6 years in educational psychology and AI product experience, expert in social emotional learning, in innovation and cross-section integration. So pretty much, and also have our other team that didn't come today. And so Shu is also an AI technician, so he's a medical PhD specialized in healthcare. And also Aaron, so he is a scale system to millions of users. So he is our tech lead. And Kay, he has game animation, so all the game animation part, she is working with us already, and he has already in working some project in Netflix and Disney before. And Daniel is our UI UX designer, so he is also a lecturer in Monash University. And Simon is also a game designer. He used to create a lot of interesting story and yeah. So and also we have a mystery PhD, PhD of psychologist, and so she want to hide in the scene. So but yeah, she has been very expert in all the child psychologists. So we are still in the pre-seed round, and we are looking for 1 million seed round, and probably can last us for 18 months runway. And so there's a 3 critical milestone we want to achieve. So we want to scale to 15,000 users in 18 months, and also we want to have 500 paying subscriber, generate around 600k ARR, and also validate retention to prove metrics that make us to end the Series A ready. So we are asking you to feel the first emotional campaign that's truly grow with us, user, and bringing the gap between supporting and growth. So we try to transfer our loneliness into growth, and we are not just building an app, we are creating a game changer movement, giving a generational companion, and they need to become who they are need to be. And where millions of young adult finds emotional support, tangible progress, and genuine connection on their personal growth journey. So Moey is ready to land on us, but you just need a home. Thank you.
Please scan the QR code
It's on our
because
way
it
list.
needs a home. Yeah.
So at the moment we are still working on MVP and all the. I think we will have our first MVP in December, and also our trailer coming in December as well. So unfortunately we can't make it to show it to you guys today, but we are still we are on the way.
Yeah. Please scan the QR code.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No time for
Thank you,
Q&A.
We wish you the best in DC.